If you are thinking about buying a laptop or an iPad Pro in 2026, you need to stop what you are doing and listen closely. Samsung is about to break the internet. The leaks for the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra are finally here, and this isn't just a tablet, it is a total industrial revolution in the palm of your hand. Welcome to Tap Tech, where we give you the future before it happens. Today, we are doing a deep dive into the most authentic, verified leaks surrounding the device that is officially being called the laptop killer. We are talking about a no-notch revolution, a grade 5 titanium chassis, and a processor that is currently crushing benchmarks. If you want to know why this will be the most powerful Android device ever built, stay through to the end because some of these hidden features have not been discussed anywhere else yet. Let's start with the thing you will be staring at all day, the display. For years, the notch on the Ultra series has been a point of contention. It was a small price to pay for those dual front cameras, but in 2026, Samsung has finally perfected the under-display camera technology. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra features a completely no-notch Tandem OLED display. This isn't your standard screen, we are looking at a 14.6-inch panel that utilizes dual-stack OLED technology. This means double the brightness and significantly longer life for the pixels. We are hearing reports of a staggering 2,800 nits of peak brightness. Whether you are working under the direct sun in California or editing high-end HDR video in a studio in London, this display is designed to be the gold standard. The contrast ratios are essentially infinite, and the refresh rate now dynamically scales from 1 Hz all the way to 144 Hz, providing a smoothness that even the most expensive desktop monitors struggle to match. But a screen is only as good as the frame that holds it. Samsung is taking a page out of the S-series playbook and moving to a grade 5 titanium chassis. This is a massive deal for a tablet of this size. The previous Ultra models were engineering marvels, but they were large and sometimes felt a bit delicate. By moving to titanium, the Tab S12 Ultra becomes significantly lighter and more rigid. It is the kind of premium build that US and European markets demand, a device that feels like a piece of jewelry but performs like a tank. It is thinner than its predecessor, yet it feels significantly more substantial in the hand because of that metallic density. Now, let's talk about the absolute beast under the hood. While the Tab S11 Ultra experimented with different chipsets, the S12 Ultra is coming back to the crown jewel of mobile processing, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2. This chip is built on a refined 3nm process, and the early benchmarks are terrifying for the competition. We are seeing multi-core scores that do not just rival the Apple M4, they are knocking on the door of the upcoming M5. But it is not just about raw speed, it is about the memory. Samsung is offering a version of this tablet with 24GB of LPDDR5X RAM. That is more memory than most high-end MacBooks and Windows laptops currently shipping. Why does a tablet need 24GB of RAM? The answer lies in 2 words: neural DeX. This is the centerpiece of Galaxy AI 3.0. In the past, DeX mode was a great way to mimic a desktop, but it always felt like a mobile version of a real computer. Neural DeX changes the game. It uses the massive NPU in the Snapdragon chip to intelligently manage resources, allowing you to run full-scale desktop applications with zero lag. We are talking about professional-grade video editing, complex coding environments, and multi-window multitasking that makes other tablets look like toys. This is why professionals in premium markets are looking at this as a legitimate MacBook replacement. It can now handle virtualized Windows environments with near-native speed, meaning your legacy Office apps and creative suites run without a hitch. Of course, we cannot talk about a Galaxy Tab without the S Pen. The new S Pen Pro 3 is expected to ship with the S12 Ultra, and it is getting a major haptic feedback upgrade. Imagine the pen vibrating subtly to mimic the texture of paper, or providing a slight click when you select a tool. Combined with a latency of just 1.8 milliseconds, the gap between digital and physical art has effectively been closed. It also features a new Air command suite powered by AI, where the pen can recognize gestures to control your entire smart home or navigate through 3D models without even touching the screen. The pen is now more ergonomic, featuring a slightly squared edge that prevents it from rolling off tables, and it charges faster than ever when magnetically attached to the back or the side of the frame. Battery life and charging have always been concerns for giant tablets, but Samsung is finally addressing the elephant in the room. The Tab S12 Ultra houses a massive 12,000 mAh battery. But the real headline is the move to 80W fast charging. For years, Samsung stuck with 45W, which took a long time to top up a battery this size. With 80W, you will be able to go from 0 to 50% in about 30 minutes. For the power user who is constantly on the move, this is a literal lifesaver. Furthermore, the efficiency of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 means that even with that massive 14-inch screen, you can expect nearly 16 hours of continuous video playback or a full 10-hour workday of intensive multitasking. One of the more secretive leaks involves a new LiDAR sensor on the back. While tablets are not usually used for photography, Samsung is positioning the S12 Ultra as a tool for architects, interior designers, and AR developers. This LiDAR sensor, combined with the power of the Elite Gen 2, allows for instant 3D room scanning with millimeter precision. Imagine being able to scan your entire office and then use the S Pen to drop in virtual furniture with perfect scaling. This is the kind of professional feature that justifies the Ultra price tag. Along with this, the front-facing camera system, now hidden under the display, uses AI to reconstruct pixels, ensuring that your video calls remain crystal clear despite the lack of a visible lens. Speaking of price, let's be real, this will not be cheap. Given the move to titanium, Tandem OLED, and the 24GB RAM configuration, rumors suggest a starting price in the US of around $1,399, with the top-tier models potentially pushing toward $1,800. It is a premium price for a premium audience, but when you consider that it replaces both a tablet and a laptop, the value proposition starts to make sense. The expected release window is late 2026, likely following Samsung's traditional late summer Unpacked event. So, who is this tablet for? If you are a casual user who just wants to watch movies, the Tab S12 Ultra is probably overkill. But if you are a creator, a high-level executive, or someone who needs the absolute cutting edge of mobile technology, there is nothing else on the horizon that even comes close. Samsung is not just making another tablet, they are trying to end the era of the laptop. With the integration of 5G Advanced and Wi-Fi 7, your connectivity will be as future-proof as the hardware itself. We want to hear from you. With a no-notch display, 24GB of RAM, and the power of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, is this finally the device that makes you ditch your laptop? Or is the iPad Pro still the king of your workflow? Drop a comment below, we read every single one and we want to know if you are as hyped as we are. Thank you for tuning into this exclusive breakdown on TapTech. We work around the clock to bring you the most authentic and up-to-date tech news. If you found this deep dive helpful, hit that like button, it really helps the channel grow. And if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on those notifications so you never miss a beat in the fast-paced world of technology. We have more exclusive leaks coming up on the S27 series and the next generation of foldables, so you definitely do not want to miss those. This has been TapTech, your premier source for high-end tech insights. We appreciate your support. Stay ahead of the curve, stay curious, and we will see you in the next one.